Hi Taurus, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for March 2022. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being asked to use skipper cards and other oracle decks that I have here. Let's just dive into your reading, Taurus. Towards the final days of February, stepping into March 2022, we have the Five of Wands here. I think this energy asks you to be more adaptable to situations. You did have to be very flexible in your approach. Maybe your schedules were going for a toss, but then, Taurus, I think you were the center of attention. You had made good progress. Sometimes, you may have been unwilling to help others, especially family members, or you may have been reluctant, but then you had done what was needed. Maybe there was also the possibility of reconnection with someone in these final days. To overcome this month, we have the Seven of Cups. You see this lady, she has choices before her. So you don't know how to act. Maybe because it's in the challenge position, you may be undecided about things. For some of you, I'm also picking up that, like this lady, you could be a bit nostalgic. Maybe you want time alone, you want to retreat. Sometimes, this March your spirits could also be low. Perhaps, Taurus, you're also deliberating whether you should leave the job because there's a possibility that you could be bored with the job. I think money is something which motivates you to move ahead in life. You want more from your boss. Nevertheless, I think, Taurus, you're going to be quite creative this month. I think there could be some spur of the moment decisions which will benefit you. Influences for this month, we have the Queen of Pentacles. I think gains are quite likely, but you should also look at the larger picture. Sometimes we have those short-term gains, but in hindsight, we realize that we could have made more. Taurus, you should also assert yourself rather than let people take you for granted. Maybe you could also be a bit hassled on account of technical issues. Maybe gadgets could malfunction. Other than that, I think you should also be careful because you could feel let down. There could be betrayal on the cards as well. The first 10 days of March, we have the Eight of Pentacles. Like this lady, or she seems to be busy in some creative venture. So certainly you'll be kept busy working on a creative project. Maybe you will also be someone who wants to polish your skills. So you may be thinking about signing up for a new course. I think the Eight of Pentacles is also asking you to collaborate with others. Your skills or your creativity is going to be appreciated at this time. Maybe also somebody who is not going to lower the cost of your services, or family members could ask you to make allowances for clients. I think home improvements is also going to be on the cards for you. Maybe you're going to declutter your living space in these first 10 days. And at the Pentacle in your reading, we do have the Six of Pentacles here. So this means that you need to look closely at your financial affairs at this time. Maybe at this time you're going to invest in gadgets, or maybe you have to cough up that fine. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be perturbed on account of the limitations imposed upon you by family members. I think this energy is such when you need to lower your expectations a bit. Maybe some people could question your creative ideas. Maybe you could also be a bit crestfallen because your ideas may find no takers. Perhaps, Taurus, you should keep your chin up. These are the setbacks which can definitely motivate you to get better at work. I think you're also someone who is going to be concerned about your loved one's financial condition. Maybe you're somebody who is playing the agony aunt this month. You're going to support younger people at this time. Other than that, I think, Taurus, you should also keep your temperamental nature in check. The final days of March, we have the Page of Wands. You do want to unearth the real purpose of your life. You want to understand where you're heading with respect to work. Like I said, there could be boredom at the workplace. You may be thinking about which way you should act or which way you should proceed. This is a very restless energy, which is again asking you to be creative and to take the bull by the horns. Maybe this is also the time to rectify your past mistakes. Taurus, you could be a bit hassled at this time. Maybe you believe that your loved ones or even work colleagues fail to understand your point of view, or they don't listen attentively to the instructions that are given out. Nevertheless, this entire month of March, I'm picking up that your creativity is going to be in full swing. You're going to be much appreciated. In fact, communication is also going to bring in gains for you. But you're also a bit impatient because you want everything done immediately. In case you're in the leadership position, I think you need to listen to the viewpoint of others. Maybe you're coming across as someone who is not being patient with the slow coach workers. Maybe you're coming across as someone who wants everything done pronto. So this means that you could rub people the wrong way. With respect to your love life, I have the card. I was reminded of your scent recently. Possibly, you're going to be reminded about your past admirers this month. Maybe you're also going to reminiscence about the past. Maybe you think that you had your chances with the opposite sex. You did not take them in the past. It's no point crying over spilt milk. Rather, you should be open and be more receptive to the idea of love. There are definitely going to be admirers for you. Maybe you should give them a chance. In case, Taurus, you are crushing on someone, I think you may want to reach out to this person. You have that restlessness, that urge to reconnect with this person, but you should also tone down your expectations. I think overall there could also be a sense of calm because you have done what you needed to do. Romancing, Taurus, I think you want to be with your beloved. Maybe this person is also busy on account of work, but you're going to be reminded of him off and on. Maybe you're also planning to make a trip to be with this person. However, Taurus, in case you're also secret romance, you need to be more careful. On the other hand, those of you who are married, I think you'll be concerned about the health of your partner. Maybe your partner is also quite demanding this month. That is why you want him to be patient with you. That is why you want him to give you a decent hearing. Incidentally, we also have this card, commitment, which is again talking about some kind of offer with respect to a romantic connection. Maybe some of you are also dealing with a business partnership. You need to collaborate with the other person if you want to get ahead or if you want to make those gains. For some of you, it's also possible that this person could suffer from commitment phobia, though you do desire a permanent union or a permanent connection with this person. The last card in this reading is a gift from the Kipper cards. This is a very positive card in your reading. Some kind of positive developments are going to be there. Maybe somebody is also assisting you. Maybe there's a new job offer. You're thinking about a new job offer here. Maybe this card could imply some kind of material gain this month, or even a declaration of love, because we do have commitment here. And this seems to be a formal proposal, or maybe this gift comprises of the wedding ring here. Taurus, you're also going to be quite generous towards others. Maybe you are going to make that gift, or you are going to offer assistance to others because of Six of Pentacles in your reading. In all, March is going to be one which is going to be marked by financial transactions. Rewards are going to come in. In fact, for some Taurus, there could also be a formal proposal of marriage from your person. Surely that is something to look forward to. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.